This video is in partnership with Ali Annabelle Hair. Here is the info card. It just came in a generic FedEx bag, no fancy packaging. Hopefully they change that. The bundles come in a plastic bag. I like this. It protects the hair. It also comes in a net. I got the 10-inch bundle. It comes with tags, very professional. Okay, I got 3 bundles of 10 inches. This is kinky curly hair. This is what the wefting looks like. The hair is very coily, very soft, very bouncy. And this is what the 4x4 closure looks like. I like that this closure is somewhat pre-plucked, like I was feeling it. Okay, we're going to need some bleach. I'm using the Wella bleach. We're going to need some 40 volume developer as well as some 10 volume developer. Okay, we'll need both. Get yourself some gloves, girl. We got to protect our hands. We need a mixing bowl, of course, to mix the bleach. We need a mini whisk, a bleach brush, a rat tail comb, a Denman brush, some purple shampoo to tone out the brassiness, and of course some conditioner. Now let's get to it. Okay, so some foil, girl. We gotta process the bleach. So put your gloves on. We gotta protect our hands from this chemical. Put in 1 scoop of bleach. We don't need that much because we're just doing the tips. Some 40 volume developer. And did I say developer, and mix that together. Whisk it until it's very smooth. Okay, I don't have the camera angles, so I can't really show you what I'm doing, but put your timer on for 45 minutes. Coat the ends with the bleach, okay, and then when you're done, use that rat tail comb to comb the bleach through the end so it hits every strand. Go ahead and put the 10 volume developer above where you put the bleach. Take a Denman brush and brush that through. This will create a gradient effect, an ombre effect. And also, go ahead and let it process for the remaining amount of time you have. I did this in 10 minutes, so we have 36 more minutes. After we're done, we're going to rinse out the bleach and apply some purple shampoo and rub that in. The purple shampoo is just going to tone out the brassiness at the tips of the hair. It doesn't really do much for the body of the hair. We don't want it too brassy. I did accidentally leave this on for too long, and it kind of had a green tint at the end, so be careful. Don't leave the purple shampoo in for too long. After you rinse that out, we're going to take some conditioner and just put it all throughout the hair to condition it after putting in those chemicals, girl. And I'm just going to take a Denman brush and make sure the conditioner reaches from weft to tip. Okay, put it in a plastic bag and let it deep condition for about an hour or so, and then I'm going to go ahead and make the wig, girl, off camera. This is what the bundles ended up looking like. It kind of has a auburn vibe to it, like a light brown auburn vibe to it. I think that's the color, girl. This is what the wig looks like on. Girl, do you listen? This is editorial, okay? Honey is serving. Look at this wig, honey. Okay, look at the back of the wig. It looks really good. I had a piece of hot glue in there still. Sorry, girl. But anyways, this is what the wig looks like. I was like, is this kinky curly? But after I like brushed out the bundles and made the wig, this is very much kinky curly hair. It looks so good, girl. Do you see? Oh my gosh, it looks so good. This hair was so nice, you guys. The wefts were so thick. The bundles were thick. The wig stretched. I used all 3 bundles. Honey is serving. This is my new favorite wig, y'all. I'm about to wear this every day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Before I close out this video, I do want to go ahead and give a post notification shout out to Jalisa Good, honey. Thank you so much for having my post notifications on, girl. I appreciate you so much. If you would like an appreciation shout out in one of my videos, be sure you are subscribed to my channel, of course. Tap that bell to be notified of my future uploads and hashtag notification gang or squad after your comment. I love you guys so much. And until next time, always remember to serve, honey. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Thank you.